guys, how's it going? Markel here, back with another daily vlog. So I know people are curious to know what it's like living in this country, and I'm going to try to do this thing not daily. I know it says daily, but every other day or every couple of days. Just give you guys like a glimpse of stuff that I do on the regular basis, just getting out. Right now, I'm probably on vacation and you guys are seeing this because I've already pre-recorded it. But my day started out going to pick up my drone that was at the Play Geek store. They got it ready. It took about 6 days, a little less than a week to get it ready. So I picked up my drone and they showed me the body. They gave me the body that they replaced. I kept all the same arms and they just put the new screws in and the bottom plate. Well, the one bottom plate that broke off, I have no idea where it is, and I'm gonna have to return later for them to put that bottom plate on. Well, I ordered one from Amazon. It's about $10, I think it is, just for that little plate, which is ridiculous. So they did fly it, made sure it will fly and everything. And I'm not sure if I want to fly it like that, even though it's just a cosmetic piece. It really doesn't have anything to do with it flying. I think I'm just gonna wait until I put that piece on before I take it out and actually test it myself. And I'm not gonna put it somewhere where there's a possibility of me losing it or putting it over water. I'm gonna test it like in an open area that I can go and retrieve it. So I'll be sure to show that when I do take it out and just test it to make sure everything is good before I put faith in it again, taking it way out and then bringing it back. So after doing that, I ended up coming back home and I had some packages from Amazon. So I was able to get Erica's clear case as well as her screen protector for her new Pixel. So she has the Pixel 7 and she's very excited about that because now she can use it. She didn't want to take it out without having a case or a screen protector in case she dropped it, which I don't blame her for that. But we got that stuff, and then I got some new Apple bands for my SE watch that I already had and my new Series 8 watch that I should have by the time I get back from vacation. I should have my Series 8. And I was just trying these bands on. So I picked up, 5 new bands. I think they were around 12 to 15 bucks for those bands. And they're sport bands. And I wanted to try to hold on to the original band that came with it because it looks a little bit more classic like that. I can wear it with a nice little dress shirt or whatever. These bands, I don't care about. That's just something I can wear daily. And the thing about the bands, they'll say that they're from 41 to 45 or 49. I can't remember which one for the Apple Watch Ultra. But the truth about these bands are they're comfortable and they're stretchy, but they're not all the exact same where you get this centerpiece here, which piece should be in the center, excuse me, is gonna be more toward the side for me because I have much bigger wrists. So if you're someone who's OCD and you like to have things perfect, like perfectly centered in your wrist, you're gonna squeeze the hell out of your wrist if you got big wrists in order to make these bands fit. So for me personally, I don't care. It's just something to keep my watch on. The watch is most important than it is the band. I don't think it looks that bad sitting over here to the side, but it's just the way that it fits. And it's fine for what I do with it, which is just answer phone calls, text messages, and check the time. That's basically all I do with it. But this is just a glimpse, man, into what I do on a daily basis, other than just going out, doing other things, hanging out, shopping, ordering stuff from Amazon, just living like you would normally live anywhere else in the world. You know, people seem to think here in Colombia is like this great mystery of things that people do other than what they hear about. You know, whatever you would normally do in the States, you would just do the same thing here. Now, it is a little bit more costly, especially being a tech enthusiast. And I'm gonna make sure I change my name from just tech reviews to a tech hobbyist because I have much respect for people who do tech as a way of making a living on YouTube. It is not the easiest thing to do because there's a lot of competition out there. And there are a lot of channels that show the exact same thing. I'm just trying to do it a different way, man, and just incorporate a little bit of my life in it, of things that I do. As far as the vacation goes, I don't know if I want to put a lot of that in there. I may put a little bit and show you guys some of the things that we did, but for right now, this is about how I want to do it. Like, I want to incorporate tech in these videos, but I also want to show you guys just living in the country as well. So I just want to make it a little different and make it a little bit more personable than it is right now. So when I get back from vacation, I think I want to go to the waterfall. Haven't been there in a while, in La Ceja, and probably take the drone there and just test it out. That's a big open space. You know, if something happens and it falls out of the sky, I can at least find it, versus I'm taking it out over a river or something and it's just gone. So I think I'd rather do that instead. But anyway, guys, hey, I appreciate everybody watching as always. And until the next time, guys, I am out. Peace. Enjoy the rest of your day.